Okay, so it's finally official and confirmed. Lucid Motors will be merging with CCIV for an initial combined evaluation of $24 billion, with an initial evaluation of $11.75 billion, and the rest is for a PIPE initial offering. Alright, so if you were paying attention to the price after hours, it was going crazy. There were a lot of initial sources saying the initial evaluation was going to be only $11.75 billion, and you can see the stock just dropping like crazy. So I think after a few minutes, the new tweets started pouring in that the actual evaluation was going to be $25 billion and not only $11.75 billion. So the stock kind of calmed down around $45. But then after hours right now, as I was looking at it, is around $40 a share. And you know, honestly, right now, anything could happen. Anyways, if you do the math, there are around 259 million shares outstanding. And with an initial evaluation of $11.75 billion, you get a fair evaluation of around $40 a share. But the excitement behind this company could ignore all of that, just like Tesla did. As you can see, the price of Tesla is not based on their evaluation because they're trading way higher than their evaluation, and so something similar like this could happen to Lucid Motors, since Lucid Motors is a company just like Tesla that does electrical vehicles. I feel like we could expect a lot from Lucid Motors, and time will only tell. Later this afternoon, and pretty much for the most part of the day, tweets and news about Lucid Motors and CCIV were flowing like water, and it was setting up for this afternoon's reveal. Like I told you in my last video, I had a feeling this was gonna happen, that they were going to announce something this afternoon rather than tomorrow, Tuesday, and it actually happened. So if you love this type of content, definitely subscribe to this channel. I want to keep you informed as much as I can so you can make better trading decisions and you can make money this year along with me, and we can all get to that goal that we have this year. So obviously I'm down on my equity play like most people right now, but I have set up some limit buys around $30 just in case the stock decides to take a dive. But I do believe in Lucid Motors for a long term, so I will be buying more if it dips around that area, because I do believe in Lucid Motors. And I will take this as a savings account where I'm going to be putting money into Lucid Motors, and I'll leave it there for the whole year if I have to. That was my plan to start with anyways. I planned to hold Lucid Motors this whole year, and I wanted to see where it could go. I really think Lucid Motors is like Tesla, and it could do beautiful things just like Tesla is doing. Obviously Tesla has many more things and has the name of Elon Musk behind it, so obviously Tesla is not just an electrical vehicle company, and so that's why people love Tesla that much. But Lucid Motors is an electrical vehicle company, and I do believe they can do more than that. And I also love their vehicles, and that's why I do believe in them so much that I want to buy my first electrical vehicle, and I want it to be a Lucid Air that is going to be around $69,000 whenever they decide to release it. I honestly love their cars more than Tesla's. No hard feelings, Elon. So if CCIV keeps dropping now, obviously before they merge with Lucid Motors and it becomes a different ticker symbol, if they keep dropping, I'm not gonna average down yet. You know, like I said, I have some limit buys around 30, but that's about it. If it keeps dropping on Monday, I might get in on Monday, but I want to see some bottom and I want to see a start of a reversal. I'm not gonna get in a falling knife. You know, I'm not gonna follow the stock. So I'm gonna wait patiently and I'm gonna start getting in. I don't mind holding this stock for the whole year. You know, I'm a true believer of Lucid Motors. Just look at Riot, Tesla, Peloton, Zoom. Look at where they started and where they are now. And then tell me what they all have in common. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. Now, merging with CCIV was not the only news that Lucid Motors released today. They actually opened up the waitlist for the Lucid Gravity, which is a beautiful SUV. In fact, I think it is the most beautiful SUV I have ever seen. I really love this SUV. You just look it up online on YouTube. It's just an amazing and beautiful design. I'm really into beautiful designs of cars. But I'm really excited about the $69,000 Lucid Air car. That's probably the one that I'm gonna be getting. But Lucid Motors is first going to release their first car, which is going to be around $169,000. But like I said, Lucid Air is the one that I'll be looking at myself. But quickly though, I just wanna give a shout out to Alex Cutler and Gargavin. They have been doing an amazing job on Twitter to keep us informed with the CCIV merger with Lucid Motors. Today, they did an amazing job and they were so quick with the tweets, and it was just so nice to be informed so quick. So definitely want to give a shout out to them. They did an amazing job, and if you're listening to me, Thank you for everything, Alex and Gergabin. And I really hope I'm not mispronouncing your name, Gergabin, but if I am, I'm really sorry. So where do I see CCIV going in the next few weeks? Well, right now there's a lot of emotions going on, and if someone starts selling, the rest starts selling, and stop losses get triggered, and there's a lot of things going on right now. But right now we haven't sealed the merger yet. So right now we just have it as confirmed. And you know, I see Lucid Motors going back to the 60 baseline where it was before this whole thing happened. That was a strong resistance for a few days. It spent around 60. I see Lucid Motors going back to 60 again, you know, within the next few weeks. And then, you know, maybe some people take profits as they go, and you'll see some isolation like that is what I'm thinking. But then in the long term, I can see growth for Lucid Motors once they start selling cars. I think they're even opening a new factory in China, and then there's the one in Saudi Arabia. So there's a lot going on, you know, they're going to start releasing a lot of news, and obviously all their eyes are on them right now. So people will hear them more, you know, once they release news about stuff, they will be heard. And then you'll see the news covering them, and then, you know, all kinds of people will be covering them. Obviously there's Tesla, and Tesla right now is low, because a lot of people were selling their shares of NIO and Tesla and whatnot, I think, and they were getting into CCIV. So right now you could also be looking out for Tesla. They might start going back up in price because they definitely dropped a lot. So my advice to you is, if you're scared right now, don't be, you know. If you're a long hold and if you really believe in this company, there's nothing for you to worry about. Even if they drop to 30, you will be fine in the long run, as long as the company can back up what they say they would. I really believe in this company. I'm even buying a Lucid car whenever they become available. That's how much I love this company. I will be holding my shares for the rest of the year, and like I said, I might start looking into points to start and average down a little more if I can, but like I said, I will be careful with that, and I will wait for a reversal, and I want to see if we can find some bottom and some strong resistance. So just be careful out there. If you love the company and you plan on holding for a long time, let me know down in the comments below. Also, let me know if you're holding shares right now, if you got out before this whole thing happened. What is your plan? Are you just holding short term? So subscribe to this channel if you want to be informed about hype stocks, SPACs like Lucid Motors, blue chips, and if you want to grow your account to $25,000 with me this year. I will be posting videos on basics of trading, options and equity, and bringing you in my journey this year so we can all make some money in this crazy market. Anyways, I will see you tomorrow, and please give a like to this video here so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. When you do that, YouTube sees that other people find value in this video and it starts recommending it to other people so that we can grow a community here and we can all help each other out. And if you don't have a Robinhood, Webull or TD account, I will link my referral codes down in the description, and they give you some free shares and money when you sign up, which is free and is a good thing. So definitely let me know down in the comments below what's your plan for CCIV, and I will see you tomorrow.